Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give value in gallons, and then it will convert into liters equivalent using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, fans and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Sir Ernil, Miss Rubelin and Marshmallow, who are always watching my videos. If you want to shout out your name, just leave your name and then put in a shout out in the comment section of this video tutorial. So before we start, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Basically guys, I'm using PyCharm as my IDE or integrated development environment that is free to download in their website at JetBrains. So we have here gallons_liters.py, yours truly, and then I have two websites where you can download the complete source code of my programs. The first one is www.jkrpomperada.blogspot.com, and then the other one is jkrpomperada.com. And then currently I'm accepting computer programming jobs, computer tutorials, IT consultancy. You can reach me in my personal email address at jkrpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very reasonable cost. And then my location is Barangay Mandalagan, Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So we have here print new line in line number 6, the title of our program, gallons to liters in Python. Print new line number 9, we are asking the user to give value in gallons, float, the type casting, converting because it is string, so gallons. To convert gallons to liters. So liters float, gallons multiplied by 3.9. And then we have here display the result. There are str format to decimal places 5.2 letters in str gallons. Str will convert the float into string value to display. Print and a program which informs the user that the program has been ended in a new line. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial for free. So gallons to liters in Python, we are just running enter value in gallons. We have 5. So there are 19.50 liters in 50 gallons. We have some space here. Okay, another example, enter gallons to liters in Python. We have 6. There are 23.40 liters in 6 gallons in the program. Last example, 11.3. There are 44.07 liters in 11.3 gallons in the program. So that's it guys, we were able to create gallons to liters converter in Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you like this video. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.